ProTinkerToys, ProTinkerToys. Hey there. Hi there. This is another item we're showing off about all these new miscellaneous toys that we have. Because obviously we're not just slot cars and RC cars or anything. We're everything. We're a complete toy store of really cool toys. And what are really popular are stacker toys. And this is by Schylling. These is stack and play. And that's one thing that kids love, and that's stack and play. And this is all wooden, okay? And you basically get 4 items. Get 1, 2, 3, 4, not 5. Remember, 2 plus 2 is 4, not 5. Okay, I know the new math wants to say it's 5, but we can see right here how the new math works. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can't add a 5th one because it's not there. You know what I'm saying? So that's kind of the new math we're showing you. So let's examine the new math. All right. All right. The new math is it can be whatever you want it to be. All right. So here they have to stack these up. Little vehicles. 1. Now that's smaller than this one, and that's bigger. And this is bigger, and that's the biggest. Now, according to our culture today, that's insensitive because now the biggest is bigger than small. And so the small will feel like he's not inclusive to the big. Okay? So we stack them all up. So we can take 1 and 2, and that makes 3. Okay? Now, 3 is not yet as big as 4. Or we can take 1 and 2 makes 3, and 3 equals 3, but 1 and 2 is bigger than 3. Or we can take 1 and 3 and add 1 to 3. It won't work. So we'll add 1 to 2 and 1 to 3, and that makes 5. Now 5 is bigger than 6. That's 6. 6 is bigger than 4. So this is stack and play, and this is item number SPLC. And these are just, and they're made out of wooden, they're just wooden little toys and all that. Just fun little stackers. Kids, little 2-year-olds love stackers. They just love to stack things. Why? I have no idea. My little son Lincoln used to just, he had Thomas the Tank. And he would just spend hours taking his Thomas. He wouldn't build a track. He would just stack them up. He would take all the track and put it according to what type it was and just lay it there and then look at it. That's neat. And then he would do it again. And this is stackers. This is at ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com, and these are called stack and play cars. Stack and play cars. And this is a new item at ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell button, give us a thumbs up. Look down in the description, tells you where to buy this, and it's at ProTinkerToys.com. Toys for boys, gifts for girls.